One of the first things that you should do when you're preparing for mediation is to make sure you've picked the right mediator. You should interview 2 or 3 different people. Mediators have different styles, different ways of working. You need to feel that the connection with the mediator is good, that she has the expertise and experience to help you and your spouse through the mediation process. And you need to make sure that she has invited you to talk about your concerns and if you have any worries about how the mediation process might go. While hiring attorneys is not always necessary when you're going through a divorce mediation process, it is advisable. And you also want to make sure that you're hiring lawyers who support the mediation process, understand their role in it, and are going to be supportive of you and the mediation to get to the best result. In order to get the best possible mediation process, it's really important to do your homework. You need to get to a shared understanding of your economic reality, and that means you've got to go gather that information and share it with the mediator and with your soon-to-be ex-spouse. You also need to be ready to talk about the difficult topics that is on the agenda for each mediation session. And if you're not, reschedule. Don't just come and not be able to talk about it. That will slow things down and impede getting to the best result. Oftentimes when people come to mediation or really any divorce process, there's one spouse who's not really ready to talk about it. And that person needs to be given an opportunity and support to be ready to talk about the difficult topics, think through what happened to the end of the marriage, and process the emotional baggage that comes along with the divorce. So in order to have the most effective and best mediation process to prepare for mediation in the best possible way, getting some emotional support from a therapist or a divorce coach can be very helpful. For the best mediation experience, every mediation session should have an agenda. You should know what's going to be talked about, what you need to know and prepare in order to talk about it. If lawyers are involved, they need to also know and be prepared. And we need to know how long you're planning to be there, how long the mediator thinks you're going to need, and what to expect at the end. If you have any questions about how to prepare for mediation or the mediation process in general, please contact us at Miller Law.